The Idaho Environmental Health Program would like to raise awareness about the risks of lead poisoning as it relates to target shooting at indoor and outdoor shooting ranges. Lead is the primary metal used in ammunition. Lead poisoning is preventable, and there are simple steps you can take to lower your risks. Before we discuss how lead can harm those who spend time at shooting ranges, let's talk about why lead is so dangerous for everyone and how you may be exposed to lead. Lead is a naturally occurring element that can be found in air, soil, water, and even inside our homes. Human exposure comes from the use of fossil fuels, past use of leaded gasoline, some industrial facilities, and past use of lead-based paint. While lead poisoning is serious for everyone, it affects children more than adults. Additionally, children and babies are more likely to be affected because they put objects that may have been exposed to lead into their mouths. Adults, specifically pregnant women and their developing babies, are also vulnerable to the effects of lead poisoning. While most adults are exposed to lead in the workplace, there are some hobbies where lead exposure is a risk, such as ceramics, stained glass making, target shooting, and certain folk remedies. Symptoms to look out for if you believe you've been exposed to lead include tiredness, weakness, irritability, trouble sleeping, headache, loss of appetite, nausea, and difficulty concentrating. If left untreated, lead poisoning can have serious effects on both children and adults. Because many of the symptoms of lead poisoning can be misdiagnosed or missed altogether, it's imperative to lower your chances of exposure. There are simple things you can do to lower your chance of exposure. Inspect and maintain painted surfaces to prevent paint deterioration. Address water damage quickly and completely. Clean around painted areas where friction can generate dust, such as doors, windows, and drawers. Flush water outlets used for drinking or food preparation, and clean faucet aerators on a regular basis. Even eating well-balanced meals can help your body absorb less lead. Additionally, if you're doing any home renovations, ensure your contractor is Lead Safe certified and that they follow lead safe work practices. It's important to note that a blood lead test is the only way to find out if an individual has lead poisoning. Children's levels should be tested by their healthcare provider. Remember, there is no safe lead level in your body. Now that you have a basic understanding about lead and its harmful effects, we can dive into lead as it pertains to indoor and outdoor shooting of all types. Those most at risk are target and hobby shooters, range workers, law enforcement, and families of those who use the range, especially pregnant women and children. Even if pregnant women and children are not firing weapons, they can still be exposed to the dangers of lead. This exposure can occur at the shooting range or from loved ones carrying lead home on their clothing and skin. Lead exposure occurs from breathing in lead dust after firing a gun, touching lead and lead dust from bullets, and not washing your hands before eating or drinking with contaminated hands. Washing your hands before entering your home is a crucial step in protecting your loved ones. It's also good practice to change and bag your clothes, hats, and shoes before leaving a firing range. This, along with hand washing, is the best way to keep the lead out of your vehicle and home. While alternative metals can be used for ammunition, lead is still the most common. Consider jacketed or lead-free bullets and non-lead primers as your ammunition choice. Doing so will protect you, your family, and the environment. While many indoor ranges are equipped with air ventilation systems that pull lead particles and gas from spent rounds away, verify that the air is moving downrange from your shooting position. Always wear ear and eye protection when shooting and while you're cleaning your firearm or firing range surface. Wash your hands and face with soap and water, or clean them with lead decontamination wipes after shooting, handling spent cartridge casings, or cleaning your firearms. Alcohol-based hand sanitizers do not remove lead from hands. It's especially important to clean up before eating, drinking, or contact with other people. As a reminder, never eat or drink while at a firing range. Remember, there is no safe lead level in your body. Take all necessary precautions to ensure your safety while enjoying your hobby. For additional resources about lead poisoning with respect to shooting ranges and other recreational activities, please click the link in the comments below.